Top 13 Steganography Project Ideas. 1. Text Steganography Tool. Develop a software tool for hiding secret messages within text files using techniques like whitespace manipulation or word substitution, ensuring covert communication and data security. 2. Image Steganography Application. Create a program for embedding secret messages or files within digital images using LSB, least significant bit substitution, or other image-based steganographic methods, facilitating hidden communication and data concealment. 3. Audio Steganography System. Design a system for concealing secret information within audio files through techniques like LSB embedding or phase coding, enabling covert communication and secure data transmission in audio streams. 4. Video Steganography Tool. Build a tool for hiding confidential data within video files using methods like frame manipulation or frequency domain techniques, providing a covert channel for secure communication and information concealment. 5. Steganographic File Encryption System. Develop a system combining steganography and encryption techniques to hide encrypted data within files, enhancing data security by concealing sensitive information while providing an additional layer of encryption. 6. Steganographic Key Exchange Protocol. Research and design a steganographic protocol for secure key exchange between parties, enabling covert communication and key distribution while mitigating the risk of interception and decryption. 7. Steganographic Protocol for IoT Devices. Create a steganographic communication protocol tailored for Internet of Things (IoT) devices, enabling covert data transmission and secure communication in IoT networks while minimizing bandwidth and resource consumption. 8. Dynamic Steganography Algorithm. Develop an adaptive steganographic algorithm capable of dynamically adjusting embedding techniques based on image or audio characteristics, enhancing robustness and security against detection and attacks. 9. Steganalysis Detection Tool. Build a tool for detecting steganographic content within digital media by analyzing statistical properties or employing machine learning techniques, aiding in forensic investigations and security analysis. 10. Social Media Steganography Platform. Design a steganographic communication platform integrated with popular social media platforms, allowing users to exchange hidden messages within their public posts or images while maintaining privacy and security. 11. Steganographic Watermarking System. Create a system for embedding invisible watermarks within digital media using steganography, enabling copyright protection and content authentication without altering the perceptual quality of the media. 12. Steganographic Image Authentication Scheme. Develop a scheme for authenticating digital images using steganography to embed cryptographic signatures or digital certificates, ensuring data integrity and tamper-proof image verification. 13. Blockchain-based Steganography Framework. Explore the integration of steganography with blockchain technology to create a secure and decentralized steganographic communication platform, leveraging the immutability and transparency of the blockchain for covert data exchange and storage.